Hi guys, today's recipe is Bangda or mackerel fish fry, Goan style. Mackerel fish fry recipe is very easy to make and very delicious to taste. If you are a real seafood lover, then this recipe is among the one you should look for. Well, this is Sritika and welcome to Tongue to Tummy. At first, cut all the fins and wash the fish properly and pat dry the fish with a tissue paper. Make 3 to 4 deep long incisions on both sides of the fish. Before I go for grinding the masala, let's marinate the fish with turmeric powder and salt. Coating both the sides of the fish and keeping it aside for some time. Mackerel belong to a group of nutritious fish. They are an excellent source of vitamins and selenium. Mackerel is also rich in omega-3. In the grinder goes half teaspoon cumin seeds, 6 to 7 pieces of peppercorn, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 cloves, 1 inch ginger, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, half teaspoon brown or black mustard seed, pinch of fenugreek seed, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, salt to taste, and lastly 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Make a fine and smooth paste out of it. If you find difficult grinding, you can add little vinegar to adjust your paste. Now apply and coat this paste to the previously marinated fish on both sides very nicely so that it enters the incision parts as well. Always ensure that the paste is not too watery. Cover and keep the marinated fish for at least 60 minutes. Mackerel fry is a crisp fish fry made from marinating with spices which taste amazing and can be served as an appetizer. Heat some oil in the pan and keep the gas on medium-high flame for about a minute. This will make the tawa non-sticky. Lower the flame and place the fish over the pan carefully, one by one, holding the tail. Fry them for about 3 minutes and slowly flip to another side and fry it again until golden brown and crisp. The fish slowly becomes crisp on both the sides. You can also check out my Pomfret Fry recipe in my channel. Link is provided in the description box below. The fish is ready to be served. For plating, place the fish fry along with some lemon wedges and onion rings. So friends, if you have liked my video, please do subscribe my channel. Share my recipes with your friends and family. And also thank you so much to my subscribers for showing so much love and support. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more recipes. So until then, happy cooking, be safe and see you soon with a new recipe.